Hey crafty friends, happy Friday! I'm Carla from Carla Arlene Creations, and today we are working on our Christmas in July. Although this project is actually for Hanukkah. We are going to be creating some Hanukkah wreath hidden paper clips that you can use in your junk journals, your planner, just to put papers together and all. But yeah, there are 5 different Hanukkah wreaths included in this set that you can make. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make these. Okay, so as I told you, there are 5 different wreaths in this set and I've done 3 of them. So I'm going to show you how to put together 2 of them, which they're all the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this over. We're going to take our glue stick and we're going to put some glue on the back. Just remember when doing this to give your project time to glue before you go to the next step. If you don't, you're going to go back and have to do some re-gluing. Believe me, I know. And then these are the backs of the wreaths. And actually the inside of the hidden paper clips. Let's see, it might work better to go the other direction. I am not the best cutter, I'll tell you that right now. So, there we go. So I am just going to put a couple paper clips on these just to try and help them glue together. And then I'm going to do the other one I have. And please excuse the background noise you're hearing. Mocha is in here with me. I don't know what he's crafting. Let's see here. So we're going to put glue on the back here. And we're going to put this. It's like a silver with a design in it. Let's see here. This one works this way. It should. If you have some silver ink, or maybe even a gray ink, you could go around the edges of these. That way you'll take out the white. I don't have any silver or gold, I don't believe, for the holidays. I'm going to have to look at Michael's this year and see if they have any and pick some up. So we're just going to let those dry. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take these little pieces and fold them in half. And I'm using small paper clips, so I'm just going to put a paper clip on this one. And I'm going to do the same on this one. And we're going to let that have a few minutes to dry. While that's drying, I will show you the other ones I've already done. Let's see. As I showed you, this is one of the Hanukkah wreaths. There are 5 designs in this set. Here is another one. And then we have this one with the menorah in it. And these will be nice in your planner. Let me pull my planner. Well, it looks like Mocha's going to leave us. Okay, so he's done crafting. We're going to put this in here, and all you do is, let's see here. It just goes down. Let's see. There we go. Like that. And you can put them in your planner. You can put them in your junk journals. Wherever you want to use some hidden paper clips. If you just want to put some papers together. So let's see if this is dry enough that I can go ahead and fold this in half. And all I'm going to do is fold this over and line it up and just crease the top. And then I'm going to take some of my Tombow glue and go around the outer edge of this on the one side. And I'm going to put this in here down in the middle, as you can see, and then I'm going to press this down, and I'm going to put a couple paper clips on that. Let's see if we can do this one. And we're going to put some glue on there and just go in and put this in, and then now I didn't give any pockets or little tags or anything with these hidden paper clips because I didn't want to take away from the beautiful wreaths that are on them. I really think these wreaths are very nice for the holidays, and I didn't want to take away from that. So I'll be doing probably some tags and other things, ephemera for Hanukkah, for some other projects that I'm actually working on right now that I'm going to be sharing with you. And let's see if this one's dry enough that I can put it on the other half. Yep. So I'm just going to go in here and add some glue. And then press this down and paper clip it. Usually it takes a couple minutes for the glue to dry. It just depends on the type of glue you're using. Let's see. We'll put those on and close up my glue. We'll give those a few minutes to dry. I'll admit, I'm one of those weird crafters. I like to put things away when I'm done with them. So, let's see here. Partially because I have cats. And God knows I don't want things to go disappearing. Okay, that one is dry. And let's see if this one... Kind of reminds me of like opening up a clamshell or something. Yep, this one seems to be dry too. So there you go. There are your 5 Hanukkah wreath hidden paper clips that you can make. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make your own Hanukkah wreath hidden paper clips. There are, like I said, 5 different wreaths in this set. You can use these for junk journals, planners, just to put papers together. You can even give these as a gift for Hanukkah for someone who likes to do junk journals or decorate their planners. You will find the link to download these in the video description below. And I will be having another project next week for our Christmas in July. I'm not sure whether it's going to be a Christmas project or Hanukkah or both. I may do 2 again next week. I'm not sure yet, but I hope you enjoy making these, and I look forward to crafting with you again. Happy crafting!